Right, today thought we'd have a look at the condition of the car before it goes to restoration and you'll have an idea excuse me, of the amount of work we're going to need to be done before we even get to paint. Engine is under there, and let's have a look inside, shall we? Now, this car was in a multi-storey car park for 20 years. So it's obviously led a hard life before that. In fact, I've got the last tax disc, which was 2001. So in that time, it's been inside. But heater channels, yes, always go there. You can see over there. Floor actually doesn't sound too bad. We've had a little bit of work here just to get it from where it was to the house last year, but as you can see there's lots of rust, so it's had a bit of a hard life before we saw it, before we got it even. As you can see, I've taken all the door cards out, obviously seats, everything, so that when I give the car to the bodywork guys, I've given them a little leg up by taking the wings off and engine out, and as much as we can. So that's where we are at the moment. Oh, we have a visitor. Oh.